trick-or-treating. It's for
a friend of Lee's.
my friend's birthday, yeah.
It's our first time, so we don't know what to expect. I kind of searched up last minute that a lot of people suggest you to wear multiple layers if you don't want to get hit by it, as I don't know what, but for the impact not to be too much. Clearly we didn't have time. We both woke up super late. I don't know what time we're getting there.
So we're gonna get there exactly on time. At 8 in the morning.
I'm still in bed. It's 7:28. We were supposed to be up at 6 at least. But yeah, so I don't even have layers. I'm gonna feel it. One thing about me is my whole body is very sensitive, so I know that I'm gonna wake up with a lot of bruises throughout my body, depending on where I'm gonna get hit. I'm just wearing some sweats. I'm wearing like t-shirts under. That they're ripping off already. I'm wearing one of my sweaters, this thin sweater. I have a shirt, my sweater, and then this shirt. You, babe?
I'm just wearing like what I would wear if I wanted to go to work. Or something, you know, wear some boots, some jeans.
Some boots.
Yeah, a sweater, you know, try to camouflage. And old hat.
Wow, you guys, I should have brought my hiking boots. They're more comfortable than these. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna see what the haps is.
Alright, guys. See you guys.
See you there.
We're there. Bye. We're gonna meet him and his squad at McDonald's. You guys, this kid's been up since who knows how long, but he picked up everybody at 6:30. 6:30 I was fighting demons. So we're gonna see them. We're gonna meet the crew. Completely strangers. I don't know nobody. Elise doesn't know nobody. At least he thinks he doesn't know nobody. Just barely gonna go right now. It's gonna be 9 in a couple of minutes. Buddies, we're fed now. I feel more awake and I'm ready.
We're on some weird road right now. It's like we're off-roading.
Hold on, let me turn it around.
We're like 2 minutes away.
Let's go.
So we're in the middle of the desert.
I met all his friends. I still gotta meet the girls. You guys are running deep.
That's the bathroom?
We have a bunch of.
The bathroom on it? Yeah, I bet.
Look at the costumes.
Porta potty.
We're ready. Guys, a little update. As you could tell, I'm very sensitive. This one hurt the most, but this one hurt just a little bit more because I got shot 3 times. That on my sweats, it ripped.
Exploded.
And then one right here, and my hand. That one hurt the most. Not the most, but like it just tripped me out because I don't like see my blood. But yeah, I bled a little bit and it was numb towards the last 2 games. Babe?
It was pretty dope. I think I got hit right here on my arm. Got hit like in the leg, in the face 2 times, but that one you don't really feel it because you have the mask on. And then I think the chest one hurt the most. That one was kind of like, ow.
Yeah. Also, I got my first headshot on the birthday boy.
It's just pretty cracked, guys. I'm not gonna lie. She's out there. Like 2 of the rounds, she like was towards the end, or she made it to the end. She won the round.
That's fun, guys.
Pretty crazy.
Very scared, but glad I did it. That was a very fun experience overall.
Yeah, for sure. I think it was dope. Can't wait to go back. For sure.
Because I was wearing it like backwards, so. Oh, he did too. And like, if you take it off, you can straight see it. No, it's on the other side.
No, it's right here. Oh yeah, you're
no,
right.
it's on the other side. You guys can tell, but yeah, it went through.
Yeah, I got shot.
And we got what happened to the tickets or the discounts? We also got some coupons. I'm tired. I'm sweaty. I'm musty. I'm exhausted. Liz's boot. the heel or the sole came off.
That's crazy.
Thank God he had an extra pair. And he was back.
Luckily I had some Converse in the
Yeah.
car. Now I just have to go limping around. Waddling and stuff.
There you guys. Peace out. Alright you guys, we kind of did a little stop for some In-N-Out. And a little soda.
Guys, oh my god, fashion shock. We're here at the Burbank houses right now. We're gonna check them out. We're gonna look at a couple houses and just gonna have a grand old jolly Halloween time. And then the dog over here looks dope. It's a big dog, bad dog.
It's huge. I like the spider over there. Is those rats?
Art? Oh yeah. What the hell? Pumpkin spice is gross.
Definitely.
Oh, this one ate somebody.
Oh, that's cool. I've lost my mind. Human flesh, yum. Oh, 6, 7?
Está saliendo. 6, 7? Where?
Yeah.
Oh, 6, 7.
It's so funny.
Yeah. Band-aid on that one.
6, 7.
Oh my god.
Oh, can we take a picture of that? Can you take a picture of us?
That is so cool.
Ooh. Guys, check it out. Oh, this one's popping, I think.
This one is popping.
Yo, there's a lot of people over here. Let's check it out.
See what's behind this. Oh,
Ooh,
scary.
creepy. Damn. A lot of people.
I didn't even see her out there.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh my god, look at it.
Guys,
There's a whole little baby on
check
there.
this out. This is crazy.
Scary over there.
Guys, this is the other side of the house. This thing is huge. Look at this.
Look at that. 2-head one. Oh my god.
Check it out. This is the other side of the house. Freaking crazy.
This is crazy.
Cast members. It's like a fun house mirror. Ooh, what's this one doing here? What's this one? Oh, you don't really see it too much. Why?
Oh my god.
Oh, you gotta go up. You gotta go up. Oh, because when you go up, that's
You
when
look hilarious.
You look hilarious. Let's see this.
Oh, this is normal.
This is normal? Maybe? I don't know. You wanna come out? Where is it? Where are you? I don't know.
A few moments later.
You can miss it.
There's a little sensor up there. No, don't.
What the hell?
If that came running to me, Okay. Wrapping Dodgers. Oh, that is so cool.
It's straight up like out of
Oh, coffin.
Si ya saben cómo me pongo, ¿para qué me invitan?
Okay.
Into the graveyard.
They probably didn't grow up around there, so
Let's hold hands and ring around the rosy with the skeleton. Ring around the rosy.
Oh no, it has a baby too. I didn't even see that.
creepy, dude.
This one's cool.
You will fall down.
Nah, man.
Anything that glows is. Oh my god!
I mean, my mom will randomly do stuff like that. House. That's pretty sick.
Is he gonna do something?
They got him.
Probably?
They got him.
Oh. It looks funny. It's kind of like tweet. Oh, that's great. Hiya, Charlie. God, look at this creepy house.
Look behind you, it's a big ass bat.
Look at this. Look at these creepy little dudes, bro.
Oh no!
These are creepy as hell.
Should you
Like
take
this-
a picture of me with them?
Scarecrow house. Yeah, I got it.
That's a bit.
Oh, look, those are talking.
That was cool.
Guys, scary.
It's actually real. This is crazy.
Pumpkin cemetery. Tombstone.
The only one I've seen so far on top of a roof.
That's sick. Yo, look at that.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh,
Oh,
creepy.
baby. Oh, look at these little babies.
Guys, that one's like pink. It's so funny. And there's one over in the back.
That is so cool.
Look at these fluorescent poops in the bottom.
Look how little it is. Toxics.
You don't seem thrilled about this.
I've never been more excited.
If that's really the case, then we should go on a date. We do both have tomorrow off.
A date?
Denji? I didn't expect to see you here yet. You're an hour early.
I never realized that eating could take so much energy out of you.
Now that we know where the gun devil is, there'll be an expedition. I need more experience of eating powerful devils if I want.
Dying sounds...
Make sure not to touch his flesh or its blood!
Clever boy. You have your engines back there.
Monster?
You guys, we just came out of the movies. Now we're shopping. Where are we?
We're at Hello Kitty Land.
I got my little Kindle. Okay, you say.
It's just okay.
Yeah, Liz wasn't a fan. Me and the other side, I'll give it like at least a 7.8.
Like a 7.
Damn. Alright, check this out. For any Star Wars fans / coffee lovers, this is a great gift idea. That's amazing. Alright, you guys know we love these. But for $3 for this little thing here, I don't know. You guys think it's worth it? Lead says it's not worth it. But like, oh my god. Let's see, what did you find?
You like circle the top and then you put what day it is. Yeah, whatever you want.
Oh, so lame. I'm kidding. Okay, you guys, I didn't know that they sell stuff like this. I wish you guys could feel it through the camera. But this, best believe I'm coming back for these. Best believe. They cost 34 bucks. But one thing about World Market, they be having sales. This too. I wish you guys could feel it. It's just so soft. I'm in like La La Land right now. They have so much cool stuff. Like if you really pay attention and go through everything, you'll be surprised what they sell. Let me give you guys a little haul. Oh, we showed this earlier, and the little sparkling drinky. And then these are, it's like a spray room, but I'm gonna use the one for the bathroom. It smells delightful. And it used to cost, hello, because it's on clearance. Oh, it used to cost $7. Now it's at 3.48 cents. Awesome. So yeah, I'm getting 2 of them because they really do smell good. I wish you used to smell it. But yeah. Look how cute the little llamas. I wish I could take them. They're so fluffy and cute. I know, you guys. When Lee sits down, it means we're taking forever.